In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put images next to each other in Card. If you want a clean row of photos, logos, or a quick before and after, this simple approach uses Card's built-in layout tools so everything stays aligned and responsive. Start from your Card dashboard, create a new site, and choose a blank page so we have full control over the layout. You'll land on an empty canvas with a subtle plus icon, which is how you add elements to the page. We'll use that to build the structure first, then place the images. Click the Add icon and insert a container. This container is your layout wrapper. With it selected, open its settings and change the type to columns. Columns are the key to placing images side by side because each column holds one or more elements in a vertical stack, and the columns themselves sit next to each other. By default, you'll usually see 2 columns, which is perfect for a simple pair of images. If you need more, you can adjust the number of columns and fine-tune spacing or alignment in the same settings so your row looks balanced. Now, add your first image. Click the Add icon again, but make sure you're adding inside the first column. Choose Image, then upload the file you want to use. You can drag and drop or browse from your computer. For the best results, use images with similar heights or aspect ratios so they line up neatly. Keeping file sizes reasonable will also help your site load quickly. After the upload, use Card's built-in scale and crop controls to frame the image just the way you want it. When it looks right, click Accept to confirm. Repeat that process for each additional column. Click the Add icon inside the next column. Choose Image, Upload, then Scale and Accept. If you accidentally drop an image outside the container, just drag it into the correct column. You can also tweak column widths and the gap between them in the container settings to dial in the exact look you want. When you're happy with how your images sit next to each other, click Done to save your changes. From there, you can publish your site so your layout goes live. Card automatically adapts to smaller screens, which often means columns stack vertically on mobile to keep things readable. If you want to refine the look, revisit the container and image settings to adjust sizes and spacing until everything feels cohesive. And that's it. You've placed images side by side in Card quickly, cleanly, and in a way that stays responsive across devices.